Greetings, my good people. My name is Mervyn Klassen, the incoming councillor of Kadutura East. With your vote, of course, the independent candidate for Kadutura East constituency. Now, we all belong and have a right to prosper. During my campaign drive as a Kadutura East independent candidate, I did a lot of door-to-door visits, and I was privileged and surprised to learn about what is really needed to better the lives of our community in Kadutura. My preconceived view and perception of what is important to make Kadutura a better place was both enriched and changed. Kadutura suffers mainly because we are a divided people, mostly along tribal lines. We still see each other as tribes, see each other's differences rather than embracing what brings us together. We are yet to learn that greatness can only be strengthened when we are one, when we cry as one, laugh together, and work together. Equally, development can only be attained and sustained when communities work together as one people. When we are one people, you will realize that we can utilize the limited resources to our disposal over a longer period and benefit our people. Thus, the support that we in Kadutura can give to our entrepreneurs will give them an opportunity to grow themselves into sustainable business people, and through that provide the needed jobs for our people and economic activities within our constituency. We will have stronger business platforms which will also support our families and communities in the long run. Through the encouragement and hosting of more businesses, sports, arts and various sports expos, the residents of Kadutura in general and Kadutura East in particular will be able to support and appreciate business activities, sports, arts and cultural initiatives, and through this bring our residents closer to each other. A united community stands a better chance to fight the many social issues that is crippling our people. When we are together, we will be stronger force to fight and eventually defeat crime and eradicate drugs and everything that is distracting and that is destructive towards our community. As a united front, we will be able to tackle corruption and ill that has destroyed the lives of our people and the fiber of our society. Therefore, my motto has changed to we all belong and have a right to prosper. And I'm looking forward for an environment of equal opportunities. And I'm convinced that an environment has a greater impact on how we respond and behave towards social challenges and personal shortcomings. If we want to build a better Kadutura, let's unite better, join hands, and fight for an environment. Fight for better education, economic development, sports, arts, culture, and social campaigns to enhance our behavior and understanding. In the long run, it will have a great effect and help us achieve a favorable and successful outcome. Vote for Mervyn Klassen. You will not be mistaken. Thank you.